Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this BMW X1. This is the M Sport X-Drive 2 litre automatic, so that's 8-speed auto. The car is finished in mineral white metallic. First registered 12th of December 2013 on the 63 registration. The car has 3 former keepers, benefits from a comprehensive service history comprising 3 BMW visits, the last oil service being done in March 21. All service light to green and photographed in the advert. MOT is valid through until the 10th of November 2021 with no advisories. The Euro 5 diesel engine produces 181 brake horsepower, returns a manufacturer's claimed average of 52.3 to the gallon, and is a tax band F, which equates to £165 a year road tax. Excellent set of premium brand Goodyear run flat tyres on the front and rears. Fronts are on 6.6 and 6.7mm of tread, and the rear tyres are both on 6.5mm of tread. As with the exterior of this BMW, the interior is likewise in very good condition for age and mileage. It does feature some very nice optional features of standard, including the electric tilt slide panoramic sunroof, comfort access, which is keyless entry and keyless start, heated front seats, automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, factory detachable tow bar, and it's had a retro privacy glass very recently installed. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for phone, as well as DAB radio, CD, USB and auxiliary inputs. This X1 M Sport is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. The car will be supplied with a full book pack, both remote control keys are present, full set of tailored carpet mats, and locking wheel belt and paperwork. The car is HPI clear, so there is no outstanding finance, and the vehicle has not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding the warranties on offer, part exchange form, customer testimonials, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. The advertised offer is on the basis of a 4-year term with a 20% deposit, monthly payments of £227.89, typical 9.9% APR. Thank you for watching this video.